Disregard taking attractive scenes or zooming in for a more critical look. It's about the selfies, and the Zenfone 4 Selfie and Selfie Pro are made for it. As the names recommend, the two new telephones from ASUS are tied in with giving you a chance to take that ideal picture from the front, and each Zenfone brags to snappers, one an ordinary camera and the other a wide point shooter with a 120-degree field of view, so you can take greater gathering shots. Furthermore, in light of the fact that it's composed as a selfie camera, the front camera's company worked in programming intended to improve you look even. For example, includes that let you thin your cheeks, one that relaxes your skin, and one that makes your eyes greater. I've attempted telephones with comparative highlights previously. They work at times. However, different circumstances it just appears as though you overcompensated the enhancing with Photoshop. Aside from selfies, the Zenfone 4 Selfie comes clad in a top-notch looking metal unibody plan and looks very like the Zenfone 4. However, this is nothing unexpected given that they are from a similar range. Expression of caution however, while the Zenfone 4 Selfie has a 5.5-inch screen, it doesn't have the standard Full HD determination on leaders. In the event that you need that, you'll need to get the Selfie Pro. The Selfie will have a beginning retail cost of $279, 215 pounds, AU $350 changed over, while the Selfie Pro begins from $379, 295 pounds, AU $475 changed over.